in Flutter development. In this lesson, we will establish some concepts about Flutter. When writing a code, we will encounter one of these concepts throughout the class. First, strings will have values of names, like UK, pizza, Italy. We write it like string name equals theta, string city equals Kuwait. Second, integers. Integers like 1, 2, 3, we call it like integer age equals 26. Doubles, it's like 1.0, 2.0, etc. We will write it like double height equals 1.7. Fourth is bool, it's either true or false, so we can write bool graduated equals true. List is list of variables, multiple variables, can like it between brackets. Maps, it have variables in a key and value structure, like name, theta, age, 26. Now we move to the second concept. These are cars, either they are animation car, fiction car, or they are real cars. They are all have common components, engines, doors, and tails. In the same manner, apps have common components, like text, and icons, and buttons. These components called widgets in Flutter. So here are some types of widgets in Flutter. We have avatar, a circular component. We have text, which have string and sentences. We have icons, also buttons which have unpressed functions, like opening a new page. We also have rows, which composed of multiple widgets. We have columns, which are composed of multiple widgets but in vertical orders. We have stack, in which widgets are organized on top of each other. List views, which components of multiple widgets that expand beyond the current screen or page. That's all. See you in the next lesson.